Welcome to unboxing your new JUKI DX-4000QVP. Let's get started. First, using a box cutter, make small slits above each one of the 4 staples in the top of the box. This will facilitate an easier removal of the staples. Now trim the tape at both ends of the box and run down the length of the box. Your razor should not be exposed more than 1/8 of an inch. You are not trying to slice through cardboard, simply slice through the tape securing the box together. With a pair of needle nose pliers, grip each staple and gently pull it up and out of the box. Do not let go of the staples as they will become airborne easily should you slip. Now that you have the box open, let's see what's inside. Opening it up first, you will see an inspection tag. Simply remove it and lay it aside. It also has your serial number on it. Top package has a warranty registration information. The card in it will give you a web address or a QR code allowing you to directly access the internet and file your registration. Power cable is included. You may remove any item I am going to talk about from the plastic bag. If you decide you need to ship your machine later on, you might want to keep those plastic bags. The knee lift is this other metal item with the white plastic portion on it. Remove this and set it aside. The foot control has 2 parts. The main part, which is your speed control, and the secondary smaller switch is programmable to 7 different options. The last box on the top has 2 pieces of blue tape on it. That box contains all of the accessories that come with the machine. On the back side of the styrofoam packing, you will find the accessory table that comes with the machine also. This gives you a larger sewing surface. And of course, a JUKI vinyl hard-sided cover. This is so that you can have something to transport the machine with protection. Now you've removed all the components from the styrofoam, and you may lift out the top styrofoam to reveal the machine gently wrapped underneath. You will want to unwrap the machine, exposing it as neatly as possible, just in case you need to rewrap this at a later time or you wish to transport it in the box with the protection that came with it. To remove the machine, simply lift up the handle and lift directly up out of the box. Now that you've got the machine out of the box and securely safely on a table, let's remove all the tape that's on the machine, starting with the tape holding down the lid. There's a white piece of tape holding the front tray to the machine, and a white piece of tape connecting the tray on the rear of the machine also. With those 2 removed, you may now remove the tray from the machine, which will make it easier to remove the center piece of tape. The white piece of paper has a note about opening the tray, which we will discuss later. Pull off the rest of the blue tape. And on the rear of the machine, lift up on the presser foot lever so that you remove the styrofoam and the little piece of brown paper. Now you may reinstall the accessory tray and remove the last 2 pieces of tape. That small piece of paper with the printing on it explains how to open the accessory tray. You pinch gently on it and pull it to the side, and then you may pivot it to the open position. Now let's take a closer look at our accessories that come in our accessory box. Lifting the lid off and removing the top blue foam, you will see that each of the standard accessory feet have a designated parking location and cutout that matches the requirements for that particular foot. Our 1/4 inch foot, our overcasting foot, our open toe applique foot. Our decorative use foot is now metal and has an opening in the back to accommodate smart feed. And of course our zipper foot now also accommodates the smart feed system. Our straight stitch foot matching our straight stitch plate, and our professional style feed dogs to give you that beautiful straight stitch sewing, mimicking our TL machines. Please note as you view our feet, some of our feet are satin finish rather than being the regular chrome finish. This cuts down on the glare or reflective properties that you might get from having that extra lighting that you'll find on your DX-4000. Our free motion quilting foot is clear plastic, giving you better visibility. It also accommodates ruler work. Lifting out the straight stitch plate reveals the sensor buttonhole foot. Now we're ready to plug in our machine. The power cord is keyed, so it only interfaces with the machine in one direction. The plug is below the switch on the rear quarter panel of the side of the machine. The foot control is marked on the side of the machine and plugs in just in front of the power cord. Now plug the power cord into the wall. Now you may turn the machine on. When you initially turn the machine on, it will come up and ask you to verify the language that you'd like. English is set at default for our marketplace. The next option will present you with Wi-Fi options. You may choose to skip this and set your Wi-Fi up later. As with most of our newer machines, we request that you interface with the machine before it completes its sensor check. Touching OK is drawing your attention to the screen and away from where the machine is going to move, which is the presser foot and needle. Now the machine springs to life, and you are ready to enjoy using your new DX-4000QVP.